Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can check a driver detail, okay? If you have a specific driver or a specific device and you want to check the details of this device and driver, so how you can do that, okay? So open the computer management here, okay, and click on it, and you can see here the device management option and select your device. Suppose that I select the speaker, okay, and this is the device I want to select, and you can select whatever device you want to, okay. Right click on device and go to properties, okay, and you can see here the detail option, okay. Click on it and you can see the details of the driver, okay. Let me show you actually this option, okay. So in the driver you can see here the detail option, driver detail, okay. Click on it and you can see, okay, this is the artificial. So let's suppose we select this one, okay, this one, okay. So go to properties and driver and driver details. So when you click on driver detail you can see the driver detail, okay. In my computer this is a virtual machine, so that's why it's going to that complicated. So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.